This is Hans Gretel, expert in multifunctioning tools and gadgets.
Hans Gretel here, and I just got back from Düsseldorf, Germany, where I designed this masterpiece. My great-grandfather, back in the war, designed the rough draft of it. But today, I have made the new and revolutionized Pollynator. And today I will show you just a few of the many things that the Pollynator can do for you.
Hi, I'm Dr. John Smith, and I am the new proud owner of Pollynator. And I have to say, it was worth every penny. Millions of people across the globe have already bought their pollinators. Why shouldn't you? Call today!
Got any money, fool?
I've got no money!
You're such a liar. You did have money. So we have shown you just a few of the many features that the Pollynator has in store for you. So order yours today for only $4.99.99. But wait, there's more. If you order your Pollynator in the next 10 minutes, you will receive a 100% guaranteed Pollynator bodysuit and a chance to win a yellow 6x6 Argo vehicle. Call now with this number, 1-800-9-PARROT. That's 1-800-972-7768. 1-800-972-7768. You won't regret it. So, hold up.